girl walk currently underway, going into the forest for the day. See how it goes. We're in the forest now, taking a leisurely stroll around, listening to Closet Confessions with Candice and Sorrel. So hilarious. You should check it out if you haven't checked it out already. My favorite part of the walk, one of my favorite viewpoints. Can't really see much, can you? Let me turn the camera around. Another little treasure here that I also love is this nook here. So a hot girl walk is a concept I learned about from content creator Lydia Denga, basically challenging girls, women to get out there and get their step count in, and it's been quite therapeutic for me. When I feel overwhelmed and I get to go outside, especially when the sun's out, it does something to me. It makes you feel like, okay, it's all gonna be okay. And there's something really therapeutic and renewing about being in nature, which I love.